Hello guys, I'm Talis and we're back with another How to Slice. In today's How to Slice, we're going to be checking out some awesome demon chessboard. So let's do it. So this is the demon queen chess piece. As you can see, this is a really scary chess board. As you can see, this is the queen chess piece. We got the base right here and the queen itself. So this is a really nice chess model. And let's see the best print settings to print this beautiful model. So first off, let's analyze. So we got the base and the queen, and as you can see, the queen is quite tilted. So it's at an angle that your printer can print. It can do the overhang right here and print this angle. We got a poor bed adhesion because this piece is quite tall. And it's at an angle, so we're gonna have to add a little bit of a brim just so increase the area of contact to the build plate. As you can see, the base has got a good build contact to the build plate. So we're gonna be adding custom brim just to this part right here. Before we add brim, let's just go to the print settings. Over here in layer height, we're just gonna be decreasing this value to 0.14 millimeters so we can get a good quality print. This way we'll reduce the layer height that's gonna be printing, so it's not gonna be visible those tiny layer lines. So at 0.14 you'll get a really good resolution in details on your print. As for vertical shells, you can leave it at 3. Going to infill, we're going to be increasing to 15% just so we can get a good, a really rigid chess piece. As for fill pattern, you can leave it at gyroid. Gyroid is a really nice infill pattern because it prints in waves, so your printer never goes on a straight line, so it doesn't have resonancy. The chances of your print failing, it decreases a lot compared to the grid. As for skirt and brim, we're gonna add brim, but just to the queen chess piece. So you do not have to change any parameters over here. What we're gonna do is change specifically to the queen. We can do that by right-clicking right here, selecting. So selecting the queen, clicking right here, going to add settings. And over here in skirt and brim, we're gonna be adding brim width, brim type and brim width. As for brim type, we're going to select outer brim only. So it's just going to select the outer brim. If you want outer and inner brim, it's going to add brim to this inside section right here. But we're just going to be adding outer brim. And for brim width, we're going to be selecting 8 millimeters. As it's got a poor bed adhesion, we're going to be increasing the area, so we increase the contact to the build plate. This way the chances of your print falling over decreases a lot. So let's go back to the print settings. Over here in the print settings, for support material, we do not need any support material. As you can see, it's at an angle that your printer can print. The skulls right here, they have a tiny section right here, but your printer can print, can do the overhang and a little bit of bridging, really fine. If you want, you can be adding your paint on support, but it will not need. As for speed, we're going to be decreasing a little bit of the small perimeters. So as you can see, when printing the crown right here, close to her hair right here, as this is a really small perimeter, we're just going to be decreasing the value for small perimeters. So for small perimeters, we're going to be decreasing to 50 millimeters, and for perimeters, we're going to be decreasing to 80. So this is going to reduce a tiny bit of the print speed so we can get a good quality print. So this way, let's slice and take a look at how the model it's going to be. So we just sliced the model, and as can see, it's going to turn into a really nice print. It's going to take 3 hours and 26 minutes to print the base and the queen. As you can see, we added custom brim to increase the bed adhesion. So as you can see, the areas are closer now, so we got the base with a really big area. Now the queen's got a big area too. So as you can see, let's go to speed and see that we reduce the print speed. So if you take a look right here, these small perimeters are going to be printing at 50 millimeters. This will make sure that we got a good quality print. And for the rest, you're going to be printing at close to 90 millimeters. Some sections are going to be printing at 80. So this is a really nice method to reduce print speed. So the model is ready to print. Make sure you check stlflix.com for more models like this one, and I'll see you in another one.
I hope you guys enjoy it. Those slicing videos are an initiative from STL Academy, which is the educational project from STL Flix. So if you guys want to learn more about 3D printing, you could check our description and look at STL Academy courses. And don't forget, see you guys at the next slicing.